Hey guys! Today I have an amazing project that we're going to be doing. This is kind of nostalgic. You know, it's going to take you back to your childhood. One of my favorite things that I loved to play with when I was a kid is Play-Doh. The one thing I didn't like was my mom scooping it out of my mouth because I would eat it. So today we are going to be making Play-Doh with marshmallows. Yes, and what's good about that? One, I know what's in it, so I know that if my child does eat it, he's not gonna die. And two, it's super easy and fun to create, so let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need for this project. Marshmallows, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and natural food coloring, because this is where all the creativity happens. Starting with 6 marshmallows in our microwave-safe bowl, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Next, we're gonna take our 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, dump it in there. Next, we're going to take our food color. This is the fun part. You can mix colors. It takes about 15 drops. I'm gonna go with blue. Give that a quick mix. Take it over to your microwave. Even though this seems like the perfect project for children, this part is for grown-ups only. We do not want any burnt fingers on our watch. Once it's completely mixed, I'm going to set it aside to let it cool. Once your marshmallow Play-Doh is cooled, you are now going to take remaining coconut oil, emulsify it in your hands. This is going to be like your barrier so it doesn't get sticky. Pull it up and mold it. With your marshmallow Play-Doh formed and ready to be played with, we're going to simply pull out a piece of parchment paper, set it down. Now we just need a few more colors. Color options are endless. All you have to do is grab your kids and have a ton of fun with your new marshmallow Play-Doh.
It's marshmallow! Yum!
I hope this inspired you, and I'll see you in the next one.